Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. Not in today's newspaper because today it's Assassin's Day. May the 26th, and in the yesterday's newspaper on Wednesday, May the 25th, 2022, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the Monday edition. The Monday, May the 23rd, 2022. I have already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. We have a 2-star Sudoku and a tectonic with 1 star. But first, I will solve this 2 stars Sudoku. 2-star Sudoku, this will be number 4609. And we have 26 printed digits. Well, for 2 stars puzzle, I need for 2 stars 15 to 20 minutes. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan. All right. Let me see. 5 and 1. 2 missing numbers. In the middle column, those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in the third column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes here. 5 in this row, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Let me see. 5, 5. No. All right. Well, 7, 4, and 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes here. An 8 in the last column, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, and look, we have a 7 and a 9 in this column, so no 7 and 9 in this box. The 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 9, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4, it goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. And this box should be 8, 9. Alright. Then. 4, 4. Let me scan. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. On that column, no, need 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. Okay. Two missing numbers in this row. Four numbers, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6, it goes there. Alright. 6. 9, 6, 9, 2, 2, 6, 2, 9, and 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this column. So no 2 and a 5 in these two boxes. The 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So what are the other numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there. So no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the second row, so no 6 in these two boxes. Here 6 in this column, so no 6 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 6 should be there. All right. Then. How about 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. I'm thinking. 9. Yeah. What are these two numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those two boxes. 8 and 9. 9. The 9 and the 3. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, and look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this row. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. So one digit left in this big square for number 1. 1, okay. Alright, 7 in this row. 7 in the last row. Some row between. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square are the numbers. It's the number 6. We see here 6 in the first column, so no 6 in this box. Here 6 in the last row, so no 6 in that box. So one box left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. Yeah. Okay. 8. Let me see. How about these 3 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7, 4, and 2. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7. Cannot fill this yet. How about those 3 missing numbers in this big square? Here we have 2, 4, 7. So those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9. 189. Cannot fill this yet. How about 4, 4, 4. Three, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, and a 1. 1, 3. 3, 4 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5. And look, this box can it be a 1, can it be a 3, can it be 4, so this box should be a 5. Okay, we have the 5 here. So the 1, 3, and a 4. This box can be 1. This box can be a 4. And this box can be a 3. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Okay. Alright. So we have a 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. And last column. Now only 3 places left for the 5. Should be here, or there. You see that 5? No 5 there. There 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be here. 5, 5, 5. Okay. 8, 9, and 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row B3, now only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 8 and 9. I've marked this 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square here. We have 3 and a 4, so this box should be an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2, 4, 7. Okay, 1, 8, 9. Here I've marked those 3 boxes. 1, 8, 9. 1, 8, 9. And look, we have a 1 and an 8 in this column. So no 1 and an 8 in this box. The 1 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So this box should be the 9. Okay. 9 in this column, third column. 9 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. Here, 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 it goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Alright, so what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 in this column, so no 1 and a 2 in this box. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column B3, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 it goes there. Done. 4, 4. 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7. How about 2, 5? Yeah, the 1. A 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1. Oh! Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 1 and 8. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, no need to place left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there ain't no 8 there. 8 should be here. Two missing numbers in this column. Four numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Can I fill this yet? No, cannot fill this yet. How about those two missing numbers in the first row? The 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5 are missing. 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 2. 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. 5 in the first row. 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, don't need to place left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. One box left in the second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Wait. Two missing number. Wait. How about the 2? Yeah. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this 2 stars Sudoku. Yes, it's definitely 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the last puzzle. For today, it's a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.